What's up, guys? Back with another video. My name is Mr. Fragrance. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos that I put out every day. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it a lot. I put your concerns first as a subscriber. So today's video is going to be about the most complimented fragrances in my collection. I have a lot of fragrances, get a lot of compliments from either guys or ladies. So I'm just going to give you the list, and I got two special guests coming up. So stay tuned. Guys, I'm back with another video. Today's gonna be my most top complimented fragrances. So today we're gonna go down a list. I got two special guests here. Here's one of them right here.
Hi, I'm Kelly.
So today we're gonna be talking about Bleu Deschanel, Eau de Parfum. She's gonna test it out and see if she likes it or not, and she'll give you a rating on it. So here we go.
I like Bleu Deschanel. It smells really good and clean.
Cool. Now I'm going to bring another girl, and she's going to test it out and see if she likes it. I spray it again so it'll be real fresh for her. Ooh, wrong way.
Very nice.
Very nice. Okay. Now from scale from 1 to 3, 3 being the best, what do you give it?
We'll say 2.
2? All right. Thank you for that. Now we're going to jump into the next video, so stay tuned. So my next fragrances for her to test out is Invictus Aqua 2018. Like it? Don't like it? Okay.
I give it a 2.
A 2? Okay. I'm going to bring in another woman. She's going to test it out and see if she likes it. This is Invictus Aqua 2018.
Ooh, Invictus.
See if she likes it or she doesn't like it.
Nice.
Nice.
We're subtle.
Okay. From 1 to 3, 3 being the best, what would you give it?
2.
2? All right, cool.
I
She gave it a 2.
The first one a little bit more.
She likes the first one a little bit more. Okay. Now we're going to jump into the next fragrance, so stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, we got another fragrance here. Aqua Geo Absolute. We're going to get her take and see if she likes it or she doesn't like it.
I really like this one.
Like that one?
3.
Gives it a 3. Now we're going to ask somebody else if they like it. See if you like this one.
It's nice.
Okay.
Nice. I'll say 2.
2? Okay, she gave it a 2.
Very moderate.
Sounds good. Now we're going to jump into another fragrance, so stay tuned. The fragrance for you guys. Dolce & Gabbana 1 EDP. See if she likes it.
I was going to buy this for you when I was researching fragrances, and then you already had it.
Oh.
Yeah, I like them all.
Like them all. Another 3. And now we're going to bring somebody else in. Thank you. Dolce & Gabbana 1 EDP. Let's get her take on it.
It's nice.
Nice.
Nice. Nice.
So
2.
she gives it a 2. It's not too bad. We get to another fragrance coming right up. So we got another fragrance here. It's Prada L'Homme. And she's going to take her take and see if she likes it or not.
Mm. 2.
She gives it a 2. Prada L'Homme. Thank you. I'm getting a lot of 2s and 3s here, so.
You have good taste.
Selection bias.
Prada L'Homme.
It's nice, but it's very quiet.
Okay.
I'll say 1.5.
1.5. Okay, thank you. So, Invictus. This is where we go Invictus. See her take and see if she likes it.
I'm excited. Actually, I'm not sure that I like that one.
Oh, she doesn't like it.
One.
One. Okay. Well, let's see what other woman says. We got one here, so. Stronger with you. Imperial Amara. See if you like this one or not.
Ooh, I don't think I've ever smelled this one.
Cheap fragrance here, $49.
I would give it a 3.
3.
I like it.
Let's see what the other girl says.
You'll have 3 girls in one video.
Let's think she give it a 3 too, I hope. Maybe not. Let's see.
That's very nice.
2.5.
2.5.
2.5's not bad. Thank you. So we keep going with the list here. Paco Rabanne, 1 Million Lucky. She smelled this before in the review we did together, but we're still gonna get her opinion on it.
Got a lot of alcohol in the smell. Yeah, I'd give it a 3. I really like this one.
All right. Let's see what the other girl says here. Getting a lot of 3s and 2s, still good.
Two.
Gives it a 2. Better than a 1.
Nice.
So we keep going. Aqua Jia Profumo.
I would give this one 1.5.
1.5. So she kind of likes it, not really, but it's okay. It's still got a 1. 1.5. We keep going. See if the other lady likes it, hopefully. Uh-oh. It's not a good look.
Actually, no, I don't like that.
She doesn't like it. Oh, she doesn't like it. Okay, guys, there you go. Right there.
0.
So we keep going. L'Oreal Sport Eau Extreme by Chanel.
I don't think you wear this one a lot either. I feel like I've never smelled it before.
Oh.
2.5.
2.5. All right, let's see what the other girl says.
Are you interrupting? Oh, you're not.
Chanel, L'Oreal Sport Eau Extreme.
Nice.
Nice.
Yes. 2.
2. All right, she gave it a 2. It's good. Thank you. So, Salvatore Ferragamo, Uma.
But the cap was still on. This one's really different. It's kind of spicy. I'll give it 2.5.
Gave it a 2. All right. Let's see what our lady says.
I really like that one.
Oh, she really likes it. Okay.
Yes. I think 2.5.
2.5. All right, thank you. Salvatore Ferragamo, Uma. So we're back with another video here. John Barbados, Artisan Pure.
I'll give it a 3.
Gave it a 3? All right, let's see what the other woman says. Got 3.
No.
No, doesn't like it at all. It's okay, it happens, hey. She gave it a 1. All right, John Barbados, Artisan Pure. So we keep going. This is Versace Arrows.
I'll give it a 2.
Gave it a 2 for Versace Arrows. Thank you. Versace Arrows.
I like that.
You like it? Oh, she likes Versace Arrows.
Yeah, 2.5.
2.5. Versace Arrows, 2.5. So we're getting down to almost 3 fragrances left here. Sorry for a long video, ladies and gentlemen. Dior Sauvage Eau de Parfum.
Three.
3 automatically, ladies and gentlemen, 3. Now we're going to see if this lady right here likes number 3.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah, we'll say 3.
3? That's good. 3. Dior Sauvage. EDP. Thank you. So we keep going. Dior Sauvage EDT.
A lot of these are like, I feel like they keep good sets with this smell specifically manly.
Also 3.
3. Dior Sauvage. Let's see if we get another 3 for Dior Sauvage EDT.
I'm not gonna drink the coffee.
I think I like the other one.
You like the okay? You like the newer one more? Okay, so you don't like the original? Okay.
Well, I mean, it's good still.
Okay.
Not as much. 2.5.
That's good. 2.5. Okay, thank you. 2.5. So, wow, ladies and gentlemen, this is my number 1 top most complimented fragrance. I bought it about 2 weeks ago. Every time I wear it, it get compliments, and this is none other than Parfums de Marly Pegasus.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Mm.
But different.
Different, okay.
Yeah, I'd give this one a 3.
3? Okay, let's see what the other lady says. Got 3 for Parfums de Marly Pegasus.
I like the name.
Oh, the name? Yes.
Name, Pegasus is very cool.
See if you like this.
Ooh.
Okay. That's a good answer right
That's
there.
fun. Yeah.
Okay. 3. Oh, we got 3 here. It's been a while since we see number 3. Okay.
That's super interesting.
That's awesome. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching this video. If you do like videos like this and more, hit the subscribe button. I put your priorities first as a subscriber. Have a nice weekend. Have a nice 4th of July. Peace.